Hi, Elvis.
Hi.
Let's start expedition. Okay, let's go to the stream. It just finished raining a lot. So we finally got our rain boots. Only Elvis and me got rain boots. Everybody else could not find the rain boots. So let's go to over here. Let's go this way to the right. So more puddles, rain boots. We're gonna go towards the stream earlier. We're gonna walk around. Okay. Yeah. What do you see? Oh, see? Do you see puddles?
Yeah.
Okay, keep going. Okay, don't splatter yourself. Come on. There's puddles and puddles and puddles.
You see that pipe?
Yep, the pipe right here. And guess what's over here?
Because it's water. It's
Yeah,
raining
water.
right here.
Okay, let's go to the right over here. So here it goes. Water is coming that way. What do we see? Do you see any tadpoles? Okay, let's keep walking. No, wait for me. Don't go too far. So this is not really a stream. It's just
Because the water, what's going.
yeah. So the grass is pretty tall. We
Right.
need to
Cut the grass.
cut the grass. Daddy needs to cut the grass. Okay, be careful. Don't go too far from me.
Wow.
Yeah. So we're kind of up in the mountain. So there's little rocks here for us.
Look at this.
But this needs to definitely be.
Because
See?
the water,
So here's rocks, little rocks.
as far as con-
See? I can step on it. We can go up the stream and our boots. Nothing here. Cannot find no tadpoles, no fishes. But this is really nice. Okay, come on.
the water going.
Yep.
The water falling over here.
Yep. Is it too high over there?
Yup. My hands are going to get wet.
Mm-hmm. Nice stream.
Oh, it's water. It's just bubbles.
Yeah.
No, it's the water.
Do you want to go further down?
Yup. The water is falling.
Here's our light pole right here. It shines at night. And these trees here, they're gonna be gone. I'm gonna be cutting them when the day becomes better.
Because water is falling too fast.
Yep, so it's going this way. And the grass over here is not that high. I'm gonna be very honest with you. I am kind of scared of garden snakes. And so I'm kind of looking down my tracks. But these are acorn trees. We have, all these right here are acorn trees. So these are just all acorn trees. Let's see if they have an acorn yet.
Because there's water.
I don't see anything yet.
There's water.
Yep, come on.
Falling.
I don't see acorn yet.
Because the top of the tree.
Yep,
The water is falling.
yep,
The grass got down.
yep. So it's going this way.
We go fall with the water.
So I think the plan is that we might be building a fire pit right here. Okay. Okay, don't go too close over there. Okay, we're gonna walk this way.
Grass is high up again.
Yeah, grass is high up again.
Water.
Yeah.
It's a Oh,
What? Oh, it's too much grass. Okay. We go up a little bit. These are irises.
so
Oh, is it too high? Okay, so let's go this way. Let's go back this way. Okay, we're gonna go up this way. Oh, it's very muggy over here. Yes, it is quite muggy.
yeah,
So if you don't have rain boots, it's not a good idea for you to come here.
now it's raining.
Yeah.
What?
So I don't know if I want to go back there. Should we go back there or no?
No.
Yeah. Maybe next time. Maybe after Daddy cuts all the grasses, then we'll go back there. But for now, let's go back to the front.
What is it?
Yeah. So we're gonna go back to the front. This is a carport. It's kind of housing our cars. Yeah. So it's dry over here. It's dry over here. Let's go this way. But yes, the grass is super high right now. There goes our pond. Grass is super high. We just need to mow the grass. Cut the grass. I think we're gonna keep these trees though. I like them. They're nice.
These are giant rocks.
Yeah, and this is our driveway.
It's right here.
Yep.
This is a tomato.
Yep. So this is our driveway. I'm planning to do a garden back there. Oh, deer. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, they just ran.
They just scare us.
Yeah. So in here, in our wood here, I think this is kind of where the deer live, because that's not the first and second time. That's not the first, and probably not gonna be the last time where they're gonna go in here. So that's where the woods. But otherwise, it's definitely very different from 2 months ago when we were here. Lots of green. Lots of green grass we need to cut. Somebody actually stopped by our house and asked if it's okay they can bale our hay. So Paul and I are still thinking about that, and most likely you're probably gonna say yes. But yeah, this is life out in the country. It's very quiet, so peaceful. The first night, a couple nights ago when we moved here, there was lightning bugs, and I don't remember the last time I saw lightning bugs. So it's very nice. We're heading back inside for tonight. So catch you next time. Okay, say bye, Elvis.
Bye.